The Supreme Court said Friday it will decide whether former President Donald Trump can be kept off the ballot because of his efforts to overturn his 2020 election loss, inserting the court squarely in the 2024 presidential campaign. The justices acknowledged the need to reach a decision quickly, as voters will soon begin casting presidential primary ballots across the country. The court agreed to take up Trump's appeal of a case from Colorado, stemming from his role in the events that culminated in the January 6, 2021 attack on the U.S. Capitol. Underscoring the urgency, arguments will be held on February 8th during what is normally a nearly month-long winter break for the justices. Trump is separately appealing to state court a ruling by Maine's Democratic Secretary of State, Shenna Bellows, that he was ineligible to appear on that state's ballot over his role in the Capitol attack. Both the Colorado Supreme Court and the Maine Secretary of State's rulings are on hold until the appeals play out. The High Court's decision to intervene, which both sides called for, is the most direct involvement in a presidential election since Bush versus Gore in 2000, when a conservative majority effectively decided the election for Republican George W. Bush. Only Justice Clarence Thomas remains from that court. 3 of the 9 Supreme Court justices were appointed by Trump, though they have repeatedly ruled against him in 2020 election-related lawsuits, as well as his efforts to keep documents related to January 6th and his tax returns from being turned over to congressional committees.